Hi there. In pod one, you developed a draft research question. Now we need to build a research design capable of answering it. Research design is essentially your plan for the research. Every element should help you answer your research question. Start with your question. That determines the kinds of evidence you need and how you need to analyze it. Your theoretical framework gives you concepts and ideas that help you understand the political problem you're investigating. Your methodology explains how you're going to conduct the analysis, and your evidence is the actual body of films and database data you'll analyse. The important thing is that these aren't four separate decisions. They'll need to fit together. If your research question changes, you may need to change your theory, methodology, or evidence as well. Theory and methodology are often confused, so keep the distinction clear. Your theoretical framework gives you a way of understanding your research problem. For example, if you're interested in how Australian films circulate political representations of Australia globally, soft power might help you think about culture, attraction, and international representation. If you're interested in Netflix's role in shaping which stories circulate internationally, platform power may be more useful. Your methodology is different. It explains how you're going to investigate your question. You might use the database to identify patterns, compare films from different countries or genres, and undertake qualitative textual analysis of selected films. And in your proposal, don't simply write, I will use soft power theory and textual analysis. Explain why soft power helps you answer your particular question and explain what you will actually do when you undertake textual analysis. So don't just name them, explain what they allow you to do. The final part of your design is deciding what evidence you'll analyse. Don't simply choose films because you like them or because you've already watched them. Your research question should drive your film selection. If you're investigating Australian Netflix cinema, perhaps the entire Australian corpus is manageable. If you're comparing national cinemas, you need a clear basis for deciding which films from each country to include. If you're investigating a political theme such as class, you might use the database to identify films coded for that theme and then select particular cases for closer analysis. The important thing is that you can explain why those films provide appropriate evidence for answering your question. So don't just name them, explain what they allow you to do. Before you move on to writing your proposal, test the design as a whole. Read your research question again, then look at your theoretical framework. Does it genuinely help you understand the political problem you're asking about? Look at your methodology. Does it tell you how you're actually going to investigate the problem? Then look at your evidence. Will those films and database data actually allow you to answer the question? If something doesn't fit, change it now. You may need to narrow the question, select different films, or reconsider the theoretical framework. That's completely normal. Research design is an iterative process. The final test is very simple. If I follow the plan I've designed, will I have the evidence and analysis I need to answer my research question? If the answer is yes, you're ready for pod 3, writing the project proposal. I'm Diane Coleman. See you then.